What's up guys, so in this video we're gonna fix this iPhone 5's boot loop with the red screen. As you can see here, it's just starting again and again. So it's not a software issue, it's a hardware problem. So it just fell down, when you drop your phone, it just happened. So let me just show you how to fix it. So I'll just remove this back cover, and as you can see here, the screws are already open, so we don't need to use this to open it. So I'll just use a spoon to open it. We need a spoon for opening from here. And if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so let me just open it. So as you can see, we can open like this. So I'm gonna fast forward this video for now while opening. You can see it's open from this side. I'll just open it from here. As you can see, it's open now. Still the boot loop is spinning. As you can see here, the cable from here. I'll just open one of this fingerprint sensor cable first, gently. And after all, as you can see, these are the LCD touch panels, a cable, and proximity sensor and front camera cable. So I'll just remove it very carefully, just like this. Just as you can see, the display is separated now. As you can see, these cables. So this issue might be happening because of this cable. This cable is not working, or it might be teared. This cable might be teared or damaged. Something happened while when you drop your phone. This it connects this is called the flex cable, and it connects the microphone or front camera and a few stuff from here in the front. So I'll just use a brush and we'll clean this this input. This cable needs to be cleaned first. Right, so after cleaning this cable, we'll just try to connect, and don't just connect this one, because this one is damaged. Because of this one, the red screen is coming and the boot loop is starting. So to fix this, we need to replace this cable. For now, we'll just show you how to just start without this cable. So we won't connect this cable, just like this. We'll just connect other cable, just like this. Gently connect it. Okay, so as you can see here, there are total 3 connectors. So as you can see, there are 3 connectors. So I have just connected 2 connectors. As you can see, this connector need not to be connected because this one is damaged. So I'll just connect with this one. Alright, so it's now connected. All these 2 cables, this cable need not to be connected because that one is damaged, as I said before. As you can see here, with this screen, I'll just connect this one also, sensor.